So this is just a brief run through of Yenka, just looking at the basic circuits. I'm actually going to look at electronics here, not the basic circuits, but you should be looking at the technology tab here. When you boot it up, you may have to say that you're using it from home and you're a student. I'm going to go to electronics first, show a couple of examples. Hopefully I pressed OK there. That's it. And we go up to the new page here to start a new circuit. Now, chances are you might want to drag this out so you get a better view of everything that drops down eventually. First off, electronic components. So let's just make something very simple. We've got our basic components. So I may just start there actually with the actual pictorial ones. So you may start off with this just to get the idea of it. Wee lamp, and I can get a switch, just a very simple switch. And the idea of this is, if you left click your mouse button, you can actually drag out a wire here. And if you keep left clicking, you can alter its path, connect them up, and then we can switch it on. Maybe move it a bit closer. Maybe move it a wee bit over there, so not taking too much room. So there you are. So a very basic circuit. Using the pictorial ones. You don't really be hanging around those for very long at this stage, because really what you want to do is, if you've done maybe the first task in Introduction to Electronics, you maybe recognise what some of the symbols are. If you don't, they're still there. So it's still the same. And these are still the same components, but now in a symbolic fashion, which you're more likely to use to draw circuits and to sketch circuits. Maybe best moving that up a bit or something as well. So again, it still lights up and breaks the circuit and doesn't light up. So we can imagine we draw a big box around it, so it's all highlighted. If I go into one of these components here and right click, copy, I can then paste it into, say, like PowerPoint or something. OP, there's PowerPoint eventually. So we can put it into PowerPoint, and we can answer the questions that are along with the worksheet as well for each circuit. So take about 10 minutes for PowerPoint to add it, start up. There we are. Minimize it. So once you've done a circuit, you can save it once you save it again. Once you save once more, it'll overwrite what you've already got. So that's the reason why we're pasting it into PowerPoint. Again, I'm just waiting for this to boot up. There we are. So again, once I've done that, I can delete this bit off here. Delete off, and then I can right click, paste option. There we are. There we are. So there's a circuit. And then we can use the text box up the top there to write in the answers. Okay, so that would be a good thing to do once you've done a circuit. Copy and paste it in. It can be Word or Publisher or something. It doesn't matter as long as you've got it recorded, so you can post your answers back on Teams. A couple of other things here. Once you've done that, maybe move this up a wee bit. I can slide the whole thing. Oops, not going to work for me. Yeah, up there. Once you're looking at doing some sort of measurement, looking at voltmeters, ammeters, they're all in measurement here. So there's a voltmeter. Just bear in mind that voltmeters always go parallel to whatever you're measuring. There we go. Oh, it's not on, so that doesn't record anything. So you can see it records 9 volts. Ammeters are always in series. Yeah, okay. So it tells you 481 milliamps. Any component that you want to rotate, if you right click on it, you get to its properties, and you can easily rotate that around. Sometimes what will happen is, I don't know if it will happen here now, close that, I'll stick this in here. You may get a negative value here. It just means that the terminals of the ammeter are around the wrong way. If you imagine a multimeter with the two terminal prods on a circuit, they're just round the wrong way. So that's the only reason it's shown that. Alright, so very basic introduction there, just using voltmeters, ammeters. One last one is a voltage rail. That'll come up pretty soon. And all you're doing is a positive and a ground terminal, a 0 volt terminal. and they act as your power supply, and you can do the same circuit again. This takes us on a wee bit further when we're looking at voltage dividers. So once more, maybe a wee switch out or something, and our signal lamp here. In some instances they do ask for this to be grounded, but this isn't too bad. So again, if you click that on, it goes on and off. So you might see circuits like that. So they are the under lab equipment. But minimize these. You can see how quickly all these folders open up. Power voltage rails there. They're under power supplies. You'll find battery under there as well. Don't worry too much about the rest of them. They really don't play much part in this course, apart from these main ones here, the battery and the voltage rails here. Right, so that's it. I'm going to stop here, just as a kind of basic introduction. I'm drawing a few circuits. Go work through the circuits, copy and paste them onto Word or PowerPoint, and answer the wee questions, and you can post that back on. Okay, thanks very much, and stay safe.